Hey everyone, are you ready for a super easy and tasty dip recipe? Today, we're diving into a delightful radish dip that's not only simple to make, but also bursting with flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is sure to become a favorite in your household. It all starts with those vibrant, crunchy radishes. These little root vegetables are packed with nutrients and add a wonderful peppery kick to our dip. Make sure to wash them thoroughly to get rid of any dirt. We're going to transform them into a creamy, flavorful dip that will have you hooked. First, slice the radishes thinly to make the blending process easier, then pop them into a food processor. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Blend until smooth and creamy. This dip is perfect for parties, snacks, or even a light lunch. Serve it with an assortment of crackers, fresh veggies, or even spread it on a sandwich for a zesty twist. It's versatile and pairs well with so many different foods. Get ready to impress your taste buds. The combination of the radishes' natural spiciness with the creamy yogurt and tangy lemon creates a dip that's both refreshing and satisfying. Your friends and family will be asking for the recipe in no time. So, grab those radishes and let's get dipping. For this recipe, you'll need just a handful of fresh ingredients: 1 cup of fresh radishes, washed and trimmed, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, a quarter cup of chopped fresh dill, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get down to making this delicious dip. This creamy radish delight is perfect for any occasion, whether you're hosting a party, having a family gathering, or just craving a healthy snack. It's simple to make, packed with flavor, and sure to impress your guests. First, grab your trusty food processor or blender. This kitchen tool is essential for achieving that smooth, creamy texture we want in our dip. Make sure it's clean and ready to go. Next, let's prepare our star ingredient, the radishes. Wash them thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt. Trim off the ends and cut them into smaller pieces if needed. Toss the washed and trimmed radishes into the food processor. Now add a generous amount of creamy Greek yogurt. This not only adds a rich texture but also a delightful tanginess. Don't forget the fresh dill. Its aromatic flavor will elevate our dip to the next level. Squeeze in some tangy lemon juice to brighten up the flavors. And now, for that silky smooth finish, drizzle in some high quality olive oil. This will help blend everything together beautifully and add a subtle richness to the dip. Secure the lid tightly on your food processor. We don't want any spills. Now pulse the mixture a few times to break down the larger pieces. Then blend continuously until everything is nice and smooth. You might need to stop and scrape down the sides a couple of times to ensure everything is evenly mixed. Once you have a smooth consistency, it's time to season. Add salt and pepper generously. Remember, seasoning is key to bringing out all the wonderful flavors in our dip. You can always adjust the seasoning later, so don't be afraid to start with a good amount. Now give it a taste. This is your chance to make any final adjustments. If it needs a bit more salt, pepper, or even a touch more lemon juice, go ahead and add it. Tasting as you go ensures that the final product is just right. And there you have it. Your creamy radish dip is ready to be devoured. Serve it up in a beautiful bowl, surrounded by an assortment of crackers, fresh veggies, or even some warm pita bread. This dip is not only delicious but also visually appealing, making it a perfect addition to any table. Enjoy the fresh, vibrant flavors and the creamy texture. Happy dipping! Want to add a little kick to your dip? Go ahead and sprinkle in a pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of hot sauce. You can adjust the spice level to your preference. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start small and add more if you like it fiery. The perfect pairing crackers and veggies. Whether you're hosting a party, preparing a snack for your family, or just looking for a quick and healthy bite, this combination never fails to impress. It's versatile, delicious, and incredibly easy to put together. This creamy radish dip is a match made in heaven for crunchy crackers and fresh, crisp veggies. The radish adds a slight peppery kick, while the creaminess balances it out perfectly. It's a delightful contrast that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. Grab your favorite crackers, salty, buttery, or seeded. They all work wonderfully. Each type of cracker brings its own unique flavor and texture to the table, making every bite an adventure. You can even mix and match different crackers to keep things interesting. Chop up some carrots, celery, bell peppers, and other veggies you love. The vibrant colors and fresh crunch of these vegetables not only make your platter look appealing, but also add a nutritious element to your snack, or cucumbers for a refreshing and healthy dipping experience. The possibilities are endless. You can also add cherry tomatoes, radishes, or even some lightly steamed broccoli. The key is to have a variety of textures and flavors to keep your palate excited. Dipping is where the magic happens. The creamy radish dip clings perfectly to the crackers and veggies, ensuring you get a burst of flavor in every bite. It's a simple pleasure that can elevate any gathering or quiet evening at home. So next time you're in need of a quick and satisfying snack, remember this dynamic duo. Crackers and veggies with the creamy radish dip. It's a combination that's sure to please everyone. Enjoy the crunch, savor the flavors, and relish the simplicity of this delightful pairing. A versatile dip for every occasion. This radish dip is incredibly versatile. Serve it as a party appetizer, a light lunch with a side salad, or a satisfying snack. It's also great for potlucks, picnics, or even as a sandwich spread. Get creative and enjoy the deliciousness. Did you know that radishes are packed with nutrients? They're a good source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a healthy and guilt-free snack option. So, not only is this dip delicious, but it's also good for you. Don't stop at the dip. Radishes are incredibly versatile and can be used in countless ways in the kitchen. Slice them thinly into salads for a peppery crunch, roast them alongside other root vegetables for a caramelized treat, or pickle them for a tangy addition to sandwiches and tacos. Let your culinary creativity run wild. This creamy radish dip is best enjoyed with friends and family. Share the recipe with your loved ones and spread the joy of this simple yet delicious treat. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser that will have everyone coming back for more. So, there you have it. A simple, flavorful, and versatile radish dip that's perfect for any occasion. Gather your fresh ingredients, whip up this delightful dip, and get ready to dive into a world of deliciousness.